Go ahead, Stacy. Good afternoon. The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no smoking, no talking, no chewing gum, no eating or sleeping, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until you are addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. All right, I'm gonna call the Watkins matter.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Now calling the matter of People versus Dennis Watkins Jr. This is U ticket 633-66922. This is one count prohibited conduct. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Your Honor. Seth Tompkins appearing on behalf of Mr. Watkins, P63249. And with me also is Mr. Watkins. Mr. Watkins, can you unmute and identify yourself for the judge, please?
Yes, hi, I'm Dennis Watkins.
This is a date time set for an arraignment on the information.
Yes, Your Honor. We would like to enter a plea of not guilty and ask for a pretrial conference, Your Honor, and I'd ask the court to enter a personal bond.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. I am going to set this matter for a pretrial on the date of November 14th. November 14th is a morning time, 8:30. Please check your calendar.
November 14th, Monday. Looks good to me. Is that 1:30, Your Honor?
It's gonna be 8:30 a.m.
8:30. Okay.
via Zoom though still. So the same way you zoomed in today, same Zoom number and everything, just at 8:30 instead of this afternoon time. Okay, Mr. Watkins? Your bond is gonna be set at $0 personal in this particular matter. Is there anything else you need at this point in time?
No, I appreciate you very much. I hope you have a lovely day.
You too. All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Watkins, you need to come back on Zoom. You're gonna talk to your attorney, but you need to be back on Zoom on November the 14th, 8:30 a.m. Same Zoom information you used today, only in the morning time, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
No problem. Your bond is at $0 personal, so you don't need to do
Thank
anything,
you.
okay?
Be good, everybody.
All right, have a great day. You're all set, sir. Have a good day, Mr. Watkins.
Thank you, you too, Your Honor.
I will, thank you.
The person who called in on the phone, last four digits, 7654. What is your name, please? Press *6 to take your phone off of Zoom,
My name is Alexander Watkins.
Watkins, W-A-T-K-I-N-S?
Washington.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Washington. I have you checked in. Mr. Washington, put your phone back on mute until you're asked to take it off. I'm going to put you in a breakout room right now. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Be there for a little while until Mr. Werbling, the attorney, comes in to talk to you about the case, about the rights.
Okay,
Okay.
I have I have all my paperwork too.
All right, very good.
But you're gonna have to be able to show it to us, so you need to figure out how you can get on, or you'll be able to forward that to us so we can see it, okay?
Can I email it to you?
Yes, you can. So we'll make sure Mr.
Okay,
Worthing
let
has
me-
an email address so you can be able to send it to us, okay?
All right, thank you.
No problem.
So mute it.
Yes, please.
I put it in the chat, Attorney Worthing, just so you would have it for him.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How are you doing today?
Good. How about yourself, Your Honor? You have a nice holiday?
I did. It was nice. How about yours?
Yeah, it was very nice.
Oh,
Thanks
good.
for asking.
No problem, of course.
Yeah,
Go ahead,
didn't do
Mr.
too much.
Those are the best type of holiday weekends in my
Yeah,
opinion.
exactly.
Where you're not running around like a chicken with your head cut off and you get to
Right.
actually relax and enjoy your family and enjoy your
Right.
day. So that's good.
Because otherwise you need more vacation time to recover from your original vacation.
There you go.
And I
Every
don't-
single
yeah.
time.
Exactly.
Attorney Gillis is now in the courtroom, so hopefully we'll have a few offers for you in a moment.
Sounds good. Thank you, Judge.
No problem. Yeah, hopefully he'll email him. He's gonna try and email him to us when attorney will. Okay. Just write up an offer though, just in case.
Perfect.
Judge, do you want Mr. Washington to go into a breakout room or just let him stay out here? Paperwork is confirmed.
No, he probably needs to go into a breakout room because Attorney Worthington is gonna have to tell him how to go. He can't see the email address, so he's gonna have to tell him in the breakout room how to get to the email address.
Ben already talked to him? Yeah. Okay.
Hey, John.
Hey, Ben, how you doing?
Good, good. How are you, sir?
I'm doing good, thanks.
Good. That's good. Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Thank
So
you,
I
sir.
have offers here for everyone, and I
Okay.
understand, so sounds like Mr. Washington's gonna send over some documents. So there's an
Yes, I
offer
believe
in
so.
there. There's an offer in there if he doesn't have documents, but if he does, we'll just revise it accordingly,
Okay.
okay?
Yep.
All right, cool, thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, Judge, I think we were ready, but Mr. Washington just literally emailed everything in a moment ago, so I didn't know. It would take some time to receive that.
All right, everybody else is ready though?
The other two are ready, yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Williams Mitchell? Miss Williams Mitchell?
Yes.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Donnie Williams Mitchell. This is ticket number P13468831. Count one, drove while license suspended. Also calling ticket number SP13468835. Count one, speeding 16 to 20 miles over posted speed. Count two, violation, equipment, improper or unauthorized use. Also calling ticket number SP1277467. Count one, prohibited left turn. Count two, no receipt of registration. Count three, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ben Werling, P64889 on behalf of Miss Williams Mitchell.
And ma'am, please state your name for the record, please.
Dion Williams Mitchell.
How are we proceeding, counsel?
Judge, for purpose of arraignment, she will stand mute. She'll waive formal reading at this time, Your Honor.
At this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf.
Thank you, Your Honor. She wants to waive her rights at this point, Your Honor, and accept the offer.
Is that right, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. So we have. Let's see. She'll be pleading to one count of equipment violation, as well as one count of no receipt of registration. You understand that, ma'am? These are two civil infractions, so you'll be assessed a fine after I read from the tickets. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Reading from the ticket SP1346835. That on the date of April the 28th of 2022, in the area of Livernois and Wagner Streets in the city of Detroit, Ms. Williams Mitchell was driving a Kia vehicle and did have some equipment violation. Also, on the date of November the 11th of 2021, in the area of eastbound Davidson and Mound Road in the city of Detroit, Ms. Williams Mitchell was driving a Dodge vehicle and she had no receipt of a registration at that time. Satisfied?
I am, Your Honor.
All right. Stipulation for probable cause and remaining counts to be dismissed.
We
Counsel?
do stipulate, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court's going to enter one plea to no receipt of registration, as well as one count of equipment violation. Is tint on your windows, Ms. Williams Mitchell?
Yes.
Okay, correct it, because all you're gonna do is get more tickets. So make
Okay.
sure it's the right tint. Okay, that ticket is $120. The no receipt of registration should be not the right price, it's 174. We don't have any tickets that are 174. do we? Let's say 174. One second. All right, ma'am, I'm gonna remove some late fees from one of the tickets. That's why you have to pay them and come to court, or else you get late fees and you have to pay even more for the ticket than you would have had to pay otherwise. I'm gonna remove it today, $105. So you owe a total of $225 for these tickets. Typically with civil infractions, you have 14 days to pay that. Is that gonna be enough time to come up with $225, ma'am?
I need like 3 weeks.
I'm gonna give you 1 month, okay?
Okay,
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. If you don't pay it by then, though, you're gonna have to pay the late fees that come with it, okay?
okay.
All right. So I'm gonna have to do no later than October the 6th, 2022, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. There's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Have a good day, Ms. Williams Mitchell, okay?
You have a better one.
All right, thank you. I
Thank you,
appreciate it. No
Bye.
problem. Bye-bye. Mr. Mark White?
Yes,
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Mark White. This is ticket P 13483373. Count 1, drive with revoked license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number P 134837. Count 1, expired plate. Count 2, fail to use seatbelt assembly system effectively. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ben Werling, P64889 on behalf of Mr. White.
And sir, can you state your name for the record, please?
Mark Deshaun White.
Thank you. How are we proceeding today, counsel?
And for purposes of arraignment, my client will stand mute. He'll wait formal reading at this time, Your Honor.
All right, at this time, the court's going to be entering the plea of not guilty on your client's behalf.
Thank you, Judge. I believe he wants to waive his rights and accept the offer at this time.
Is that right, sir?
Yes,
If so, can you please raise your right? No. Let me see. All right. Sir, these are pleas of responsible. That means I'm going to read from the ticket and I'm going to give you a fine that goes with these tickets. You understand that, sir?
yes,
All right. On the day of May the 1st of 2022, in the area of West Chicago and Asbury Park in the city of Detroit, Mr. White was driving a Mercury vehicle that had expired plates. He also failed to use his seatbelt correctly. Satisfied?
I am satisfied, Judge, for purposes of the plea.
All right, stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to enter pleas of responsible on count 1 and 2 of ticket P 13483371. I'm going to dismiss ticket P 13483373, counts 1 and 2 in its entirety. So the fine for expired plates is $145. The seatbelt violation is $65, which gives us a total of, I just want to make sure, $210. Typically with civil infractions, you have 14 days to be able to pay that. Is that going to be enough time for you, sir?
no,
Okay, how much time do you need?
because I get paid weekly, so
Okay, sir.
a month,
Time-
and I have it paid within the, yes,
You breaking up a little, Mr. White. Did you say a month would be enough time?
yes, and I have it
Okay.
paid in full.
All right, I'll give you until October the 6th. How about that?
That'll work.
Okay, October the 6th, these fines are due by that time. You can pay a little bit on them too. You don't have to pay them all at once, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set, okay? Thank you so much, Mr. White.
Thank you.
All right,
Thank
have a
you,
good
Your
day.
Honor.
You're
You
welcome.
too. I can leave?
Yes, you can. You can leave. Enjoy
Okay.
the rest of your day, okay?
Yes, you too.
All right. Mr. Washington,
Peace, how you doing?
I'm good, thank you. Did it say that that email address didn't work? We've been having trouble with it. I might have to give you a different email address.
That's no problem. I'll go back to it. I'll send it to whatever email address you need me to.
Okay, you're on the phone, so it's hard for me to give you the email address.
Judge, I have his cell phone, so I could text it to him if,
Can
or
you,
whatever's easiest for the court.
I'm gonna give him a different email address, because that one seems to not be
Okay.
working today. Text him that one on his phone.
Okay, I can do that.
All right, Mr. Washington, we're gonna give you a different email address to send it to, okay?
I'm already right here. You could just say it.
Okay. You ready? He's gonna text it to you though, so we make sure we don't mess it up and that it comes through to me.
Okay. All right, no problem. On the charge.
Okay. Just sent, Your Honor.
Thank you.
No problem.
Did you receive all of the information? Can't hear me.
No, I haven't received anything yet. Let me check my spam.
Let me look at my sent box and make sure everything is sent.
Yeah, make sure it's sent.
I couldn't hear you.
I said, just make sure it's sent.
Okay. That does not say sent. So let me try to send it from this email. What's going on with that?
Maybe because you're on the phone. Sometimes it doesn't send if you're on the phone.
Let me see here. Why didn't I see it?
Mr. Williamson,
How you doing?
I'm finding you can turn on your camera, please.
Yes, I'm trying to turn on the camera, my phone. Oh, there you go. Unable to access camera.
You have to give
It
it
keeps
access.
saying it keeps saying it's unable to access my camera.
Okay, sir, why are you late?
I didn't hear you.
Why are you late?
Oh, because I've been trying to figure this out. I barely know this technology stuff.
So you
And I was
started
in the
trying to
wrong
figure it
courtroom.
out at 1:30, Mr. Williamson, today? If you knew you didn't know technology?
No, I've been trying to get to it. And I was in the wrong courtroom.
You started practicing how to get through at 1:30 today and you knew you didn't know technology?
Yeah.
Just say yes.
Yes, yeah, it was.
Okay. How many cases does he have while I'm waiting for Mr. Washington's stuff to come through? Can I see his file so I can know how many cases he has, please? Give me 1 second, Mr. Williamson, okay?
Okay.
All right, let me see if I can pull your file. Let me see how many cases you have. If you don't have a ton, we're gonna try and get you taken care of today, okay?
Okay.
All right, hold tight. I'm gonna put you into what's called a breakout room. So you won't hear me talking anymore. The next person you'll hear talking is Attorney Werberlin. He'll come in there and talk to you about your case and about your rights, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna get you an offer right now, and then hopefully you'll be able to talk to you about it, and then you can make whatever decision you wanna make. It shouldn't be long, but we have to get an offer from the city attorney first. So just give him a couple of minutes before he comes into the breakout room to talk to you, okay?
All right.
All right, I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 2. Join that room for me, okay? She just sent over the offer, okay?
Huh?
Not for you, Mr. Washington. I'm still waiting on the email. What did it say when you tried to go in there and see if you sent it?
Oh, I didn't look at that on this one. Let me see.
And there's no way for you to get on the Zoom app. If you get on the Zoom app, then we can see the paperwork.
Yeah, I can. They just gave me the number when I called in because when I tried to click into traffic, it was sending me to landlord tenant stuff. So when I called the number, they told me to call this number, but I definitely got Zoom on my phone.
So go on Zoom. My phone number is 360.
Hold on one second. Let me go to the Zoom app.
Okay.
Okay, and join. Oh my
Hello, ma'am. Are you Michelle Williamson?
Yes.
Okay. This one.
No, ma'am, she's super late. We gonna have to get another day.
Okay. Hello?
Hello, give us 1 second, ma'am.
Okay.
You ready on Mr. Williamson?
Yes, I'm here. Switch the camera. Oh, there we go.
Miss Sandy, you ready?
Yes, Judge.
Now calling the matter of people versus Roscoe Williamson. This is ticket number P 1293907. Count 1, drive registered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, driver's license never acquired. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Oh, council.
Counsel, you gotta unmute yourself.
Sorry about that. Ben Werbling, P 64889 on behalf of the defendant.
All right, sir, can you state your name for the record, please?
My name Roscoe Williamson.
How are we proceeding today?
So Judge, apparently my client did acquire a valid driver's license after the incident. And he did show an up-to-date proof of insurance and registration.
Did you see his driver's license as well?
I did, Judge.
All right,
He has a photo ID. Yep.
all right.
A
As an
photo license.
Okay, cool. As an officer of the court, having seen valid documents, the court is going to grant your request to dismiss this matter without prejudice due to valid documents. Sir, make sure you always keep everything valid and up to date, please.
Okay.
And in your vehicle while you drive so that you don't get any additional tickets, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing for today.
Thank you.
Okay, my phone had died. I'm back.
So, Mr. Washington, you gotta be patient though, because I'm in the middle of having other hearings. You can't just blurt out, you can't see, so you don't know that I have other hearings going on, okay?
I'm sorry.
It's okay. You ready for the number now?
Yes, I am.
360-337-0000. You sure? I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure it's not that.
I don't know why my background like that.
All right, is this you, Mr. Is this you, Mr. Washington? Oh, you gotta unmute yourself.
Yes, this is me.
Do you have those documents for me, please?
When she told me on the phone that it was gonna be a call, I drove to work, so I had all the files on my phone. Can I still
Okay.
show it to you that way?
Well, you on your phone now.
I drove a totally different car to work. That car is not downstairs.
Well,
But
I was
definitely have everything on my other phone. I could show it to you, or I
So
could
your
screen
other
mirror
phone,
and show
yes.
it.
Let's see if I can see it on your other phone.
Okay, let me see here. Do I turn this around?
Yeah. There you go. All right, so you're gonna have to get rid of that background for me. You know how to get rid of background?
I don't even know how it got on there.
Okay. So, um,
Oh, let me see if I can.
do you have on your phone? Oh, there we go. Fantastic. Okay, now put your phone close to the lens as you can, because that's real small.
Come, let me try to blow this up.
Okay.
Is that better?
That's better. Yes, yes. For the Ford vehicle? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. And do you have, your proof of it? That's the proof of insurance. Do you have your plates?
I had all. I'm going to it right now. 1 second.
Okay, fantastic. And then I'll just need to see your license and that'll be it. Okay. I see that expires 9/1/2022. You got the new one? You getting it up to date?
I'm gotta go. Yeah. This just expired on my birthday.
I know. That's the thing. It expires once a year on your birthday. Every single year, the same day. Your birthday, typically.
Yeah, they say you got to the end of the month. They say you got to the end of the month to get it. I know I had it. I had it for when he wrote me the ticket. I had this for when he wrote me the ticket. He wouldn't let me go get it out of my wallet.
You got your license? Can I see a valid copy of your license, please?
Yes, you can.
All right, and I see that's 23. Is it okay? All right. All right, I'm gonna call this on the record, Miss Mary. We're just gonna tell them all.
Where did that come from?
It's okay, Mr. Washington. Flip the camera back around, okay?
I'm trying. There we go.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Alexander Washington. This is ticket number P1346264. Count 1, expired plate. Count 2, no valid registration certificate. Count 3, no proof of insurance. Ticket number P1346272. One count failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. May it please this court, Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
And Mr. Washington, can you state your name for the record, please?
Alexander Washington.
All right. The court has now seen valid documentation for his up-to-date proof of insurance, his expired plate that is not fully up-to-date now, but will be by the end of this month, won't it, Mr. Washington?
Yes, it will. Yes, it
But
will.
it has been validated as being in full compliance for the prior year, because he would have had to be in compliance before this date. This ticket was issued on 4/27/22. And he has also showed me his valid operator's license that expires in 2023 next year. So the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Mr. Washington, make some time to get over there and have it up to date. Because guess what?
I'll be there tomorrow.
Guess what your judge will be if you get a new ticket, Mr. Washington?
No, I'm gonna have it tomorrow. I'm going tomorrow.
Fantastic. All right, that concludes this hearing. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
No problem. Ms. Williamson,
Yes,
do you have documentation today, ma'am?
I'm not sure what documentation. I wasn't aware that I had court today.
Okay. Is it insurance as well as you drove while your license was suspended?
I don't have no insurance. I don't have a driver's license. I don't have a car.
Okay.
How long ago was this ticket?
This ticket was issued on December 28/2021 in the area of Vaughn and Santa Maria in the city of Detroit. It's a Jeep vehicle.
Yeah, I don't even have that vehicle anymore.
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 So Attorney Werbeling, the offer is improper plate. You want to talk to her about that offer and see if she wants to take that, or if she wants to have another avenue to handle it today, that'll be able to handle it today, okay, Ms. Williamson?
Okay.
All right,
Yes,
what y'all do is called a breakout room, so y'all can talk privately, so he can explain everything to you, and then you can make the decision that's best for you, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll put you in room number 1. Join that room for me, ma'am, okay? Are you ready on Ms. Williamson?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Michelle Williamson. This
Yes.
is ticket number P12949949. Count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Count two, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
And may it please this court, Your Honor, Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of Ms. Williamson.
And ma'am, please state your name for the record, please.
Michelle Williamson.
How are we proceeding, attorney?
And Your Honor, for purpose of arraignment, we'll waive formal reading and stand mute.
Will to a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf.
Thank you, Your Honor. She wants to waive her rights and avail herself of the offer.
Is that right, Ms. Williamson?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down now. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Werbling in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a bench or a jury trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, I want to take your attention back to the date of December the 28th of 2021. Were you in the area of Vaughn and Santa Maria Streets in the city of Detroit driving a Jeep vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did the car not have any insurance on it at that time?
It didn't. It expired.
Okay, all right. Satisfied, attorney?
I am, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates on count one and dismiss count two. Ma'am, you said your license, do you have your license now or no?
No, I'm trying to obtain them.
Okay, all right. You said you don't have the vehicle anymore?
No.
Yes. Ms. Williamson, you had two tickets that's open right now that you didn't pay for my courtroom.
We did discuss that, Judge, because she desperately needs to get her license.
But she ain't paid none of that. This was from April, Ms. Williamson.
I have forgot. I have so many tickets. It's crazy. It's like when I walk out my house, and literally when I walk out my house, I get a ticket. I have tickets so many places. I don't understand. It's hard. I'm trying to get my license. I've had them before, but it's like they're just putting it, like I'm trying to pay it off and they're just putting another one on there. And I'm trying to go through some program to do it. It's not in my favor.
You gotta pay at least one of these tickets, it's two of them.
Yeah, I didn't even know. He just mentioned those tickets to me and I didn't know, but I will pay those.
You gotta pay them, okay? They're $175 a piece. And before
Okay.
they get late charges, you need to make sure you pay them, Ms. Williamson. Listen, you need to pay these before they add late charges on them, okay?
Yeah.
$175 a piece. You gotta
Okay.
pay, I know it's a lot of tickets. I can hear in your voice. That's frustrating because you got them so many places. But this is what happens. It turns into a snowball effect, right? And once you get one, It's hard to keep up with them and they just come, pow, pow, one after another,
Yeah,
right?
that's why I just
Gave
gave my
up.
car up. I don't
I
want
know
to
you
drive
just-
no more until I get my license back. So, yeah.
That's a worthy affair, worthy cause, okay? All right. I'm gonna weigh the cost and fines on these, but you gotta pay the other one. And if you get late
Okay.
charges because you didn't pay them, I'm not waiving those. You gotta pay that too.
Okay.
So right now, they don't. So pay them with great urgency.
Okay.
All right. All right. All right, man. Good luck to you getting your license. You may have a reinstatement fee on one of these tickets. You're not gonna be able to apply for the license until you pay the reinstatement fee. Okay? Even
Okay.
though it's fine, if it's $45 you owe for like the suspended license that got dismissed, that doesn't get dismissed, the reinstatement fee. So you have to pay that in order to apply to get your license, okay?
Okay.
All right, all right. All right, Ms. Williamson, good luck to you, all right? Don't drive. I think you're taking the best approach until you can get all these tickets taken care of. And if you take care of those last 2 tickets, that's it that we have in the system so far as of today. Now, I don't know if you got any tickets after that that aren't in the system, but as of today, that would take care of the tickets we have currently in the system on today, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, you have a good day, okay, ma'am?
Thank you. You too.
I will. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Thank you for being patient as we collected more wonderful people.
No, anytime, Judge.
I appreciate it. All right. If
Anytime.
there's nothing further, that wraps up the afternoon.